Welcome to Carr Vale Nature Reserve. Hi, my name's Sam Willis. I'm a Reserve Officer at Derbyshire Wildlife Trust, and this is Carr Vale Nature Reserve. Fantastic little nature reserve close to Bolsover and Chesterfield. It has a wide mix of habitats, all in close proximity to each other, from open ponds, open water, reed beds, marshy areas, wet and dry grasslands, hedgerows, scrub areas and some tall trees. This in turn gives a fantastic haven for a wide variety of wildlife, from the smallest mammals like harvest mice up to larger roe deer, all sorts of terrestrial and aquatic invertebrates, from the tiniest water beetles right up to the stunning dragonflies. But what this reserve is best known for is its large array of birds, from the more familiar garden and woodland birds right through to waterfowl and waders. It's for one of our birds in particular, the common tern, that our latest project has focused on. And we would like to thank Biffa Award and the Landfill Communities Fund for kindly funding a project to install 5 new tern rafts that are out on the water now. We have 4 large rafts and 1 smaller one, and together they have created 30 square metres of extra space for these birds to nest in the spring and summer. And not only will common terns benefit from these rafts, but other priority birds like the oyster catchers.
Hi there, I'm Paul Harasimo, midweek team leader with the Derbyshire Wildlife Trust, and this is Martin, a regular midweek volunteer. And today we are launching the last of our tern rafts on Carr Vale Reserve. It's been a really fun project that the volunteers have enjoyed doing. They always like to do something a little bit different, and this particular project has involved the tern rafts came flat packed, and we've been bolting them all together, screwing it all up and adding these plastic sides which protect the young terns from predation by things like mink and coots. The other thing we had to do before we launch it is add pea gravel. That's this stuff. Several shovelfuls of this have gone on each raft, and these are great for the adult terns which like to make scrapes out of them. And our next job now is to use the boat to launch this out into the water.
Hi, my name's Mark Beavers. I'm the Volunteer Reserve Manager at Carr Vale Nature Reserve, which is what you can see behind me, the finest nature reserve in Derbyshire. And as you can see behind me, out on the lakes, there are a number of tern rafts, a total of 8. Tern rafts are a very, very important habitat creation, allowing species like common tern to nest. They afford good protection from predators, and also they don't flood because they rise up and down with the water level.